muri yeZimbabwe ka zverudo tichazvirega honestly, because pakaipa. Hi loves, hey chit fam, welcome back to another episode with Ash. Guys, today I'm going to talk about Wezhira nemurume wake Minister Apostle Sean Ministries of GM Ministries, guys. So these two vakarambana. Guys, can you imagine, after that beautiful wedding, after all this kiss they did together, and there's a baby, you know, because vakamboita a secret wedding and stuff like that, but now from Norway vabva vangorambana. So Apostle ivo vanyora pafacebook vavakati, I'm very single and not searching. I'm just feeling tired and bound by how you guys want to tell me how to run my page. Post this, don't post this, that, and this will be my blood sisters and family members that you will complaining about. I know how to deal with social media critics. Those who know who Gweta is can tell you I can deal with people one, but they end up saying kuchinja this and that, yet they'll be the ones bringing the drama here. I have a big assignment to do with, no doubt you can see how God anointed me for this work. Enough of this. I'm very single, and on this apana wandakatadzira kukanganisira kudisappointa kushandisa or what. I'm innocent in every sense. You may think bad of me. If you wanna have your own version of my story, that's okay, I'll bear it. Yo pakaipa, guys. And the comment section was like, you know what, I think that's why Wezhira was always saying ininika ndakarorwa netsotsi, you know, because it seems like akazororwa ane nhumbu. Because I remember story time yakamboita achiti I discovered ndatomundege and stuff like that, and did out of Zimbabwe kuti I'm pregnant, blah blah blah, ndakunzwa kuda mabanana nedovi, something like that. But now the minister, the apostle, I mean, of the GM Ministries, and vanhu futi comment section they were saying imi minister, imi apostle, imi kutora chokwadi chomunoita zvakashata, because maingoda kuti muwane fam na Wezhira, then zvenyu zvaita, now you leave our baby girl. Vanhu havasi kufara honestly, because 2 days back anga aposta ine this girl vakapfeka zvakanaka chaizvo, mbanyora kuti I love you with a heart. So yeah, vanhu vanga vakutaiwa ka imi munhu wamwari. Yes, muri munhu wamwari zvenyu, but please don't do that. B is so innocent, and we doesn't know what really happened, but we know our Wezhira, of course, and we don't know even kuti zvinomborevei. Then mumwe abva Pamela Tamira abva posta zvikanzi kumwe kuposta ndweko kushotesa B chete, and he actually replied, guys. Can you imagine? He said apa anenge ashoteswa nechimanje mbaisa question mark. Guys, aiwa mujolo tinazira nawo, ende mujolo tichaurega chete. Aiwa zverudo ndichazvirega But then someone said, in hangu personal, I don't like it when my men do this, hugging a female person who you are not related to and saying those words. It's a big no. You said I love you to someone you don't know. Really, you how us ladies behave. You know how us ladies behave. Of course, guys, every lady know that we don't like it, and we know it's not proper, it's not good. Then mumweo ava ati yes, posta irori unyore kuti I love you hako, but B is the one. Bedwe zvakaoma. Then umwe abva ati but munooneka henyu kuti muri player maidira Wezhira kuzikanwa. Of course, I can agree kuti maybe it might be the issue or something else, because zvakaoma bedwe. So we just know about this man after vaitisana na B, the mwana, the wedding and stuff like that. That when we realize, there's GM Ministries and there's Apostle Sean, of a chance they dated for such a long time. So maybe they'll get back together. Let's just pray for them so that they fix their things and they get back together. You know, some of the things, when you come my marriages, but I don't think could divorce. Anyway, guys, see you again on my next video with another episode. Bye guys, I love you, but God loves you more.